What is up, guys? Today we're back with another brand new video, and today we will be killing the King Beetle today. So let's get right to it. That's the only thing we're gonna do today, no quest this time. So this is part 3. Part 3, we're just gonna kill the beetle. Probably do one quest, but I'm pretty sure we're just gonna do the beetle. But we have some quests. I'm gonna do one quest, I bet. Cause I know, okay. We're gonna kill this beetle. Oh, yo, my bees are so strong. He's almost dead already. Shoot, 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 shoot. I need to run. Boost, boost, boost. Let's go. Let's go. He's almost dead. 500 more health, and then we could get out of the loot. Ooh! Oh shoot! Wrong way. I went like. Okay, he's about to die. Let's go. Get him! Get him! Get him! Oh, let's go. Yo, it just said 10 moons. 1 million, honey. That's pretty good. Let's go. Let's go. I might speed it up if I do one more quest, but it will be fine. Okay, what quest should we do,
I
guys?
did something wrong, but the quest was to collect 250,000 pollen from Spiderfield.
Let's speed it up right now. Okay, guys, we finished it. Oh, and looks like our thing is done. Let's harvest this. There's another one. Oh, let's go. A lot of sesame seeds. Let's go. Pretty good stuff, I guess. Okay, now we gotta talk to Black Bear. Let's go. This video is not gonna be that long. It's only gonna be like a few minutes. Because the only thing we did is just quest in the thing. Okay, well, that's a lot of honey. Okay, so this is the end of the video. But make sure to like and subscribe for more Bee Swarm Simulator videos. Because I'm going to be uploading a lot. I might upload a lot. But make sure to turn on notifications and subscribe. See ya!